What is going on, everybody? Today we are back with a very short video, but this one is actually pretty important. This one is all about how you prepare a new hair system that you get in the mail. Real quick though, guys, this video is sponsored by Vivid Hair. Vivid Hair makes a great product and they offer 15% off to all of my subscribers. Use my code Jake15 for 15% off any order size, as long as you're ordering stock units. So I think it's really important that I tell you a story that happened to me maybe about 6 months ago when I got a brand new hair system and I didn't really know about how to prepare them. So I had just scheduled a haircut. I decided that I was going to go to a regular barber instead of a hair system specialist, and I was gonna have him try to cut my hair. I was gonna do the installation myself, and I was gonna basically just let him cut the hair. Now, of course, I thought, oh man, this is gonna be easy. It's basically just a basic reinstall, except I don't have to clean the bottom of the unit. I can just take what I'm currently wearing off, clean my scalp, put some tape on the new unit, and off I go to the races. Well, what wound up happening is the morning of my haircut, I decided to take off my other unit, clean my head, clean the unit that I was currently wearing, and I went to apply tape onto my new hair system. And when I did that, I noticed that the tape wasn't really sticking all that well. It wasn't holding on to the hair system. I thought it was very strange. It was, as I was like applying the tape, it was like it was coming up. Like it just wouldn't grab to the poly that I was used to. And I asked myself, like, what is going on here? This is very strange, but I've pressed it down and I managed to kind of get through it. And I had the whole unit taped up and I was about to put it on my head. So I'm lining it up, here we go. And I apply it to my head. Now, when you first apply a hair system to your head, generally, it's not the stickiest thing. You can make that more sticky immediately by using a max hold sport or like a scalp protector, which will cause your bond time to go down. Like instead of needing to use 24 hours before you get it wet or sweat or anything like that, it can take it down to like an hour of bond adhesion time. So that can make it stickier, but I wasn't using that, and it was pretty loose. Like I tried pulling up the hair system and it was coming up fairly easy. And I just hoped, I hope this gets a little bit better before my haircut. So I go to the salon and I have my hair system that has been cut, so it's long hair, all this kind of stuff. And this guy's brand new. He's never seen a hair system in his life. He's never seen me before in his life. And he begins, looking at it, and he's like, okay, I think I'm ready to begin. So he starts lifting my hair so that way he can cut the front, and the whole hair system falls off. That's right. The whole hair system was not bonded correctly and was not actually sticking to my scalp. And he tried to cut my hair while it was basically falling off. It was not adhered to my scalp whatsoever. So what's the problem? Like, what is the thing that happened right there? And you've probably experienced something similar to this. What happens is when we get a brand new hair system, what generally happens is they are treated with many different chemicals and they're processed in a factory. Now, the bottom of a hair system, this is a polyurethane, of course, the bottom of a hair system generally has chemicals on it. So what you want to do, and this is a very easy, simple fix. It's not complicated. It's not crazy. Is you want to take a solvent, a adhesive removing solvent. So that could be your C22, your Ultra Safe by Pro Hair Labs, many different types of products. But you're going to want to take a solvent and you're going to want to spray it down or soak it if you're using lace for about 5 minutes. And then after that, all you got to do is wash your hair system off. Wash the lace, wash the polyurethane, and you should be good to go. Once you do that, your hair system should adhere fantastically. You shouldn't have any problems. You should be ready to go and be looking great. Once again, thank you to Vivid Hair for sponsoring this video right here. Make sure you check out their products that they have in stock. Get 15% off anything you order with my code Jake15. Check out the link in the description below. And please remember to like, comment, subscribe. It helps the algorithm. It helps me. See y'all soon.